Is Camtasia taking a literal eternity to export your videos? You bought a great computer with a powerful graphics card, but your CPU is sitting at 100% while your render bar barely moves. Here is how to actually unlock your GPU and hardware acceleration in Camtasia to cut your rendering time. First, let's look at the setting inside Camtasia itself. Open up Camtasia and head up to Edit, then click Preferences at the bottom. Navigate over to the Advanced tab. Right in the middle, you'll see Hardware Acceleration. By default, this might be set to Microsoft Basic Render Driver, which means your computer is completely ignoring your graphics card. Click that drop-down and explicitly select your dedicated graphics card, whether that's an NVIDIA GeForce or an AMD Radeon. Click OK. Now, don't close this video yet. If you stop here, Windows will usually override Camtasia, and it still won't use your GPU. We have to force Windows to give Camtasia full power. Minimize Camtasia. Hit your Windows key, search for Graphics Settings, and open it. Under the Custom Settings for Applications section, click Add Desktop App. Navigate to your local drive, go to Program Files, then TechSmith. Open your current Camtasia folder and look for camtasiastudio.exe. Click Add. Once it appears in your list, click drop arrow for Options. Switch it from Let Windows Decide to High Performance. This explicitly forces Windows to route your GPU power straight into the encoder. For these changes to take effect, close Camtasia completely and restart it. Try this out on your next export and let me know in the comments how many minutes it saved you. If this helped speed up your workflow, drop a like and subscribe for more editing workflows. See ya!